Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In the background I have a video playing of me making some press-on nails for a friend. So yeah, this video is just explaining where I've been and why I've been absent for several weeks, and the short answer is I've been poorly. The longer answer is as follows. I actually suffer from a rare condition called chronic cluster headaches. Do not let the name fool you. It has the nickname that is actually called suicide headaches. I suffer the chronic version. I've suffered with them for many years, and it is an extremely painful neurological condition where the NHS, that's the health people in the country where I live, actually list it as the most painful neurological condition known to medical science. So that should tell you how much pain I am in when I'm suffering a cluster headache attack. And unfortunately, for the past couple of weeks, they have been especially bad. I've been suffering with them now for like 10 years, so I'm kind of gotten used to sort of dealing with them to a certain point. But unfortunately, there are times when they are just too painful. I can barely get out of bed, never mind think about creating videos for all of you guys. So, I am sorry, that it's been a while since I've uploaded. So, yeah, this is just a quick recap to tell you I've been poorly due to this condition, but I'm on the mend. How long that will last for, I do not know. As I said, I have the chronic version of it, but not to worry. I'll cope with it as I've always coped with it. And yeah, so not to worry. And I will try to be a little bit more mindful going forward when I'm recording videos, and maybe sort of get like a week or 2 weeks ahead of myself. So in the future, when I'm having a particularly bad week, it won't matter. Thank you for watching.